The problem is, it's my first day at the school here, and I don't know where my classroom is. I don't have any social media accounts. I decided to delete Instagram, TikTok, and all other social media platforms to focus on my studies. Do you know where this classroom is?
Have you seen Lucy? She's a blonde girl and wears a pink headband, and she looks like an Insta-vamper.
While we sleep.
Oh, Lucy, I hope it's not too late for you.
Acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on mother.
Before Vlad Dracula arrived at this school, everyone passed their exams without any issues.
Parker, sir, I must tell you, he told me he deleted all of his social media accounts before arriving to Beatrice High School.
That's impossible.
No, it's not.
It's my old desire.
You what happened in the library.
No, sir.
Our powers of immortality only have one condition.
Most of freedom and of pleasure.